Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you what I did to reinforce my trunk liner so I can carry a lot of weight without bending it out of shape. These water jugs are quite heavy and the trunk liner is already sagging here because the pressure is too much and it's too thin. So this foam block supports the trunk liner in the middle, and this part broke off already from all the weight that's been pressing down on it. So the middle here is the strongest part, but there's no support all around the wheel here. So this wheel well needs some support that goes from the middle and extends out so it can cover this whole wheel well, and then the trunk liner can rest on it. So it turns out I'm in luck and I found some laminate flooring, and I used the trunk liner as a guide, and I cut the planks to size. So I'm just putting the planks together now, and then I can put it back in the trunk. This laminate flooring is really easy to join. You just put it in at an angle and then just press it down. And it looks like I cut these last two planks a little bit too short, but that should still be good enough. Alright, so I'm just going to put it in, and then we're going to give it a test. Alright, so that feels pretty strong, and let's put the trunk liner back on top. Got the trunk liner back in, and here's the water jug now. That's really nice and strong. And put one more. And that's really holding it up a lot better than before. So there's no more sagging. This is nice and strong now. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.